Hello and welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Shark RV1001AE IQ Robot Self-Empty XL Robot Vacuum. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this exact same robot vacuum for yourself and get it at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Are you tired of spending hours vacuuming your home every week? Well, I have a solution for you. The Shark RV1001AE IQ Robot Self-Empty XL Robot Vacuum with IQ navigation, home mapping, self-cleaning, brush roll, Wi-Fi connected, works with Alexa in the perfect vacuum for home. If you're wondering why you need this robot vacuum, let me tell you about all the features. Firstly, the bagless self-emptying base can hold up to 45 days of dirt and debris, which means you don't have to worry about vacuuming for up to 45 days. Secondly, the powerful suction can take on large debris, small debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. And with this self-cleaning brush roll, you won't have to worry about hair wrapping around it. What's more, you can schedule whole home cleanings or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the Shark Clean app, or a voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Plus, the Shark IQ robot can map your home and let you choose which rooms to clean right now. It methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. And if it runs out of battery, it will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. If you have pets, this automatic vacuum is designed for homes with pets. It features a self-empty base, a self-cleaning brush roll, and a high-efficiency filter to capture dust, dander, and pet allergens. The multi-stage filtration system captures and traps 99% of dust, dander, and pet allergens down to 1 micron. In the box, you'll get the Shark IQ robot, the self-emptying base, 2 extra side brushes. The Shark RV1001AE IQ robot is cordless and has battery life of up to 30 days. It comes with a lithium-ion battery, which is included in the package. Based on customer ratings, the Shark RV1001AE IQ robot has a 4.0 rating for remote control, a 4.0 rating for value for money, and a 3.9 rating for cleaning up hair, and a 4.4 rating for suction power. Overall, the Shark RV1001AE robot vacuum has IQ navigation, home mapping, self-cleaning brush roll, Wi-Fi connected, works with Alexa, is great investment for anyone who wants to save time and effort on vacuuming. With its powerful suction, self-emptying base, and multi-stage filtration system, you'll have a clean home without lifting a finger. If you want to check out this robot vacuum for yourself, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.